Now welcome to the 21st question we have a small block starts slipping down from a point B on an inclined plane AB, which is making an angle theta with the horizontal section BC and is smooth, and the remaining section CA is rough with a coefficient of friction mu. It is found that the block comes to rest as it reaches the bottom point A of the inclined plane, and if BC is equal to 2AC, the coefficient of friction is given by mu is equal to k tan theta, and the value of k is, let's move to the solution. Now we have the solution, that is from work energy theorem. Wg plus Wf is equal to delta of Ke mg 3 sin theta minus mu mg cos theta x is equal to 0 minus 0. mg 3x sin theta is equal to mu mg cos theta x. 3 tan theta is equal to mu, so therefore k is equal to 3. So that is the third part.